guys, welcome back to Crazy Dave's Kitchen. Alright, what do I have for you today is an amazing recipe. The idea actually came from my dispatcher at work by the name of Stephanie, or her real name is Stefania, we call her Stephanie. So what she did, she told me when I did my bacon wrapped potato idea, of an idea that her brother does, and takes a potato, cores it out, and throws some eggs in it, and throws it in the oven. Makes an egg potato. I said, okay, being Crazy Dave, I'm gonna do it even crazier. You've heard of a loaded breakfast burrito, but have you heard of a loaded breakfast potato? I haven't. So let's get busy. Let's make this into a loaded breakfast potato. Sit back, relax, and enjoy as I show you how to put it all together. So one of the things we need is, of course, some breakfast ingredients. So I've got some sausages here, some breakfast sausage that I put in the frying pan. I'm cooking them on low, and we're going to cook them up because we're going to add these to the potatoes. Okay. Then over here, I've got a potato. I threw it in my Instapot like we did last time for about 15-20 minutes. Threw it in the fridge overnight. Now over here on the right, you'll see that's kind of falling apart. So I'm not going to use that. But the one on the left, I took a medicine baller to it, or a melon baller, my bad, the melon baller. And I cored out the center here. Now the leftovers, I took them and I put them in my air fryer to make some awesome home fries. Okay guys, so what are some of the stuff you need? Well, hey, you need that steamed potato. In here, I added 2 of the sausage links. I cut them up, laid them down in here. Okay, I've got 2 eggs that I'm gonna put up to the side. I've got some shredded cheese. You can use any type of shredded cheese you like. I just happen to have the Mexican version. And of course, bacon crumbles, as always. If you got fresh bacon, great. If not, the Costco version of the bacon crumble is absolutely amazing. And then over here, I've got the secret sauce. What is this? Well, guess what? You're gonna have to go back a few videos to find out what this is. No, actually, I'm gonna tell you. This is actually the smoked in a pumpkin salsa. That's right, not pumpkin salsa, smoked in a pumpkin salsa. Go back to some of my videos and I'll show you how to make this amazing salsa. People actually line up for this. I mean, as soon as they know that Halloween's coming, they hit me up and say, Crazy Dave, are you making your smoked in a pumpkin salsa? And I say, yeah, I'm gonna make a limited batch. And guess what? They're fighting for it. Okay, so every year I make a small limited batch of this stuff, and it is absolutely amazing. We put it on everything, okay? Well, all right, let's put this baby together. Okay, so now I transferred the potato to my little baking sheet with a little bit of aluminum foil because I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. I'm not running the smoker today because I really don't want to run a smoker just for one potato. So this is going to be done in my air fryer. Now I'm going to go ahead and crack the eggs. I'm not one of those guys that can crack it with a single hand. I've tried so many times, I just cannot figure that out. So let's just go ahead and crack this baby. And we're going to put one egg right here. And we're going to do the other one right here. There we go. All right. So now we got the 2 eggs cracked. We're gonna let that kind of sit a little bit, move it around a little bit, maybe. Right, there we go. Got the eggs right there in the center. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to that. Rinse off my hands. So now I cracked the eggs. I decided not to throw this one away. I said, oh, what the heck? I'm just gonna use it. And that egg kind of got all over the place here, but so what? No big deal. This one actually looked really good. So I seasoned them with some salt and pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them into my air fryer until the egg white starts to form. And then we're gonna finish it off with the cheese and the bacon and the salsa. So I think I'm gonna put this in my air fryer for about 370, 375, maybe about 20 minutes, and let's see what happens. Now, if you remember earlier, I showed you guys, or told you, that I used the melon baller to core out the potato. So I made these beautiful potato balls that are homemade fried. These things are absolutely amazing. Season them up, some salt and pepper, and there you go. Again, get the kids involved. They would love to make their own home fries, okay? And if you have a picky eater that doesn't want potatoes and stuff, I guarantee you, you make these, they'll eat them. Okay, so I left it in the air fryer for about 20 minutes at 375. It's a little brown, it's not burnt. I think I probably would have done maybe 15 minutes instead. I kind of forgot about it. I'm like, oh no! But it's still fine. It's still kind of good. And you see it's still kind of mushy there. It's going to be awesome. So now we're going to add some shredded cheese to this. And then we're going to top it up with a little bit of the bacon. Just a little bit of the shredded cheese. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it back in the air fryer again. But this time we're going to watch it. Okay. And only for a couple minutes. Maybe like, 2 minutes, 3 minutes max. But this time keep your eyes on it. We're going to kind of fill up the boat here. Alright. Now we're also going to go ahead and top it with a little bit of your bacon crumbles. Just a little bit. Because we want those kind of be, a little on the warm side when we serve this. So just top that. There we go. Alright. Now, if you like tomatoes, go ahead and add them. I hate tomatoes. But you would take little diced tomatoes and you go ahead and add that to that right now. If you want to add some onions, put that on top, and you can also put that back in the air fryer. So let's put this back in the air fryer for about, like I said, 3 or 4 minutes, and I'll be right back. Now that looks absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go to my drawer over here and get a spoon, and there's that smoked in a pumpkin salsa. Gonna mix it up, and what we're gonna do is just add just a drizzle. There we go. Once you're done putting it on there, you can now use a spoon and just spread it all around. Okay. Ooh, that salsa smells so good. Oh man. All right. Well, there you go. All right. So that's it. Now, if you want to add sour cream to it, you can. Make it yours. Like I said, add whatever you want to it. But that is the loaded breakfast potato. Well, there you go. That is the loaded breakfast potato. Thanks, Stephanie, for that beautiful idea. Crazy Dave made it even better. Now, these are mine, so sorry, I'm not sharing. So make your own using Crazy Dave's recipe along with Stephanie's beautiful idea. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment below. As always, enjoy. Crazy Dave, I'm out.